okang' mokwongo ahinya e kaunti nendo ma Migori sani endi koro ne oger kambi mano endo mar loso rabuon e kaunti nendo ma Migori. Chenro ma kama endi otelie kod jatend migawo mochung' ne weche mag loch gwenge migosi Eugene Wamalwa ka koro ne omakre koda kamago kombene gi jotelo mamoko ma e kaunti ma Migori kod bende mago ma bende a riwruok mar pinje mag wagunda mag European Union ka koro ne gidhi chako mano endo manyicha ne oger factory manyien e gwenge mag Kuria mano endo ma Imbo e Migori County. Sani endi ma endi bobedo ni koro no okang' mokwongo mar kambi ma kamano ger e gwenge gweko mag Migori ka koro maendi ne okawo omenda marom milion 117 ka koro milion magweko 107 ne owuok e riwruok mar pinje gweko mag wagunda to milion modong' gweko ne oyudre e piny Kenya kaendi. Sani endi gedo kanyakla gi masinde mano nyiew bende koro nokaw koda ka migawo mar piny owacho. E seche ma kamago eko ne Wamalwa olero ni koro mabiro chiwo thuolo mag jogo ma gin jopur rabuon mar mondo mi koro oyar mano endo kange gi mago mag tich mar pidho kendo kayo rabuon e okang' malach. Na olero ni koro sani endi ma en achiel kuom bende mago eko magin projects 15 ma piny owacho osekelo mondo mi otim e chenro mar agenda 4 madongo kata the big 4 agenda.
This particular site is called Getonganya Sweet Potato Processing Factory. This is a project funded by the European Union, the Ministry of Devolution, and of course that is the Kenya government and the county government of Migori. I'm happy to note that today we are just at the final end of it. You remember some months back, we started the construction of this site, and we have been visiting this site with various dignitaries. And today we have none other than the CS, that is the Cabinet Secretary for Devolution, the Honorable Eugene Wamalwa, who has come to officially commission the processing equipment. So we are ready to go, and even our farmers are well prepared, and we really want to encourage them to engage in sweet potato planting. This is something that will cause a very, very great impact, economic impact to the people of Migori County. It is going to change lives because it has a huge potential. So if we are talking about the socio-economic benefits that will arise from here, they are huge. And we can only say that the future is very, very bright. They are huge, and we can only see that the future is very, very bright.
Today I'm happy to be here for major projects. We've been working together with national government, our EU partners, together with the county government of Migori to spur local economic development. We have the Ideas program in the Ministry of Devolution that is working with about 15 counties, looking at what the counties have to offer and how we can work together to build on the President's Big Four agenda, particularly on the pillar of food security and the pillar of manufacturing. And where we have seen there's huge potential, like in these county for sweet potatoes, we want to see how we can work with the local community, the local leadership, to do some value addition so that we create employment but also enhance food security. And we are happy that what we have here in Migori will not only boost food security in this county but in the country as a whole. I was very happy to see the governor that there are people who have traveled all the way from Nairobi who are coming here to get these sweet potatoes all the way to the Nairobi market. But now with this factory that we are launching today, we'll be able to do some value addition locally and create a market here. And this is also being replicated in other counties. Tomorrow will be in Kisii County, where we have a lot of bananas, the land of Matoke, and we want to see a similar banana processing plant being put up in Kisii and will be commissioned tomorrow. In pastoralist areas, we are also looking at what we can do with the pastoralists. We'll be going to West Pokot on Thursday to launch an abattoir there, to support local economic development, tapping into the resources that are in that country. So I'm happy to be back to work with governors again. This is actually my first official function since the president brought me back to devolution, even while I'm still working on defense. So I'm happy to be back, Governor. I look forward to working with you, the people of Migori County, and all our 47 counties. Even as we go into the elections, our focus remains on completing all our projects. And with that final phase, we start here in Migori, we'll be in Kisii, we'll be in West Pokot, and we're going to go to all the other counties to complete our projects before the elections. I'm going to wish you well, Governor. We're happy to be here again.